Okay, guys, here's the class for today. We're going to do a workshop of the topic we're talking about, that is problem solving about equations, okay? And this is going to be the workshop. I'm going to read it, all the points, and after that, you can start solving them, okay? A, how long is gonna be a rope if the third part is 200 meters long? B, Juan has $4,000 and Rosa has $350,000. Both of them buy the same book. After the book, Rosa has 5-6 parts of Juan's money left. What is the price of the book? C, find 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 36. D, Camilo is 21 years old less than Andres, and the sum of their ages is 47. What is the age of both of them? E, find 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 219. Okay, guys, this is the workshop for today. And thank you for your attention and good luck because you're going to need it.